Do you feel awkward when you meet a friend after a long time and don't know what to say in English? In this video, I'll show you simple and natural English you can use in real-life conversations. Let's start. Hey, long time no see. Now repeat after me. Hey, long time no see. We use this sentence when we meet someone after a long gap, maybe a friend, a classmate, or someone we haven't talked to in a long time. It's a friendly way to show that you missed seeing them. Now let's look at a real-life conversation. Hey, long time no see. Yes, it's been so long. How are you? How have you been? Now repeat after me. How have you been? We use this sentence when we meet someone after a long time. It means you're asking about their life, health, and how they are doing recently. It's a very common and polite way to show care. Now let's see a real-life conversation. How have you been? I've been good, just busy with work. What about you? It's been so long. Now repeat after me. It's been so long. We use this when we meet someone after a long time. It shows that a lot of time has passed since you last met or talked to that person. It often expresses surprise and happiness. Now let's see a real-life conversation. It's been so long. Yes, it really has. I missed you. How are you? Where have you been all this time? Now repeat after me. Where have you been all this time? We use this sentence when we meet someone after a very long time and we don't know where they were or what they were doing. It shows curiosity, surprise, and sometimes even a little emotion because the person was missing for a while. Now let's see a real-life conversation. Where have you been all this time? I was busy with studies and work. I missed everyone. I haven't seen you in ages. Now repeat after me. I haven't seen you in ages. We use this when we meet someone after a very long time. It shows that it has been a really long gap since you last saw them, like months or even years. It's a friendly and natural way to express surprise and happiness. Now let's see a real-life conversation. I haven't seen you in ages. I know, it's been forever. How have you been? You look great. Now repeat after me. You look great. We use this when we want to compliment someone. It means the person looks very good, maybe happy, healthy, or well-dressed. It's a simple and friendly way to appreciate someone. Now let's see a real-life conversation. You look great. Thank you so much. That's very kind of you. What are you doing these days? Now repeat after me. What are you doing these days? We use this sentence when we meet someone after some time and want to know what they are currently busy with in their life, like work, studies, or daily activities. It's a natural way to start a friendly conversation. Now let's see a real-life conversation. What are you doing these days? I'm working on a new job and learning English in my free time. Are you still working there? Now repeat after me. Are you still working there? We use this sentence when we want to ask if someone continues to work at the same place they worked before. It's often used when you already know their past job and want an update. Now let's see a real-life conversation. Are you still working there? No, I changed my job last month. I'm working somewhere new now. I was just thinking about you. Now repeat after me. I was just thinking about you. We use this when someone suddenly comes to mind and then we meet or talk to them. It shows surprise, happiness, and a warm feeling that the person was in your thoughts. Now let's see a real-life conversation. I was just thinking about you. Really? That's so nice to hear. I was thinking about you too. It's so good to see you again. Now repeat after me. It's so good to see you again. We use this when we meet someone after a long time. It shows happiness and excitement that you are meeting them again. It's a warm and friendly way to greet someone you missed. Now let's see a real-life conversation. It's so good to see you again. Me too. It's been such a long time. How have you been? What have you been up to? Now repeat after me. What have you been up to? We use this sentence when we meet someone after some time and want to know what they have been doing recently. It's a casual and friendly way to ask about their life, work, or activities. Now let's see a real-life conversation. What have you been up to? Not much, just working and spending time with family. How is everything going? Now repeat after me. How is everything going? We use this sentence to ask how someone's life, work, or situation is going in general. It's a friendly and polite way to check on someone and start a conversation. Now let's see a real-life conversation. A. How is everything going? B. Everything is going well, just a bit busy these days. Life has been so busy lately. Now repeat after me. Life has been so busy lately. We use this sentence when we want to tell someone that we have had a lot of work or activities recently. It's a natural way to explain that you haven't had much free time. Now let's see a real-life conversation. A. How have you been? B. Life has been so busy lately. I barely get time to relax. I really missed our conversations. Now repeat after me. I really missed our conversations. We use this sentence when we meet someone after a long time and we want to express that we missed talking to them. It shows care, emotion, and a friendly connection. Now let's see a real-life conversation. A. I really missed our conversations. B. Aw, me too. We should talk more often. We should catch up properly sometime. Now repeat after me. We should catch up properly sometime. We use this sentence when we meet someone after a long time and want to spend more time talking and sharing updates in the future. It's a friendly way to suggest meeting again and having a proper conversation. Now let's see a real-life conversation. A. We should catch up properly sometime. B. Yes, definitely. Let's plan it soon. Let's meet more often. Now repeat after me. Let's meet more often. We use this sentence when we enjoy meeting someone and want to see them regularly in the future. It's a friendly and positive way to strengthen a relationship or friendship. Now let's see a real-life conversation. A. Let's meet more often. B. Yes, I'd love that. We shouldn't wait so long next time. Are you free this weekend? Now repeat after me. Are you free this weekend? We use this sentence when we want to ask someone if they have time on Saturday or Sunday. It's a simple and polite way to plan a meeting or hangout. Now let's see a real-life conversation. A. Are you free this weekend? B. Yes, I am. Let's meet up. Let's grab a coffee sometime. Now repeat after me. Let's grab a coffee sometime. We use this sentence when we want to invite someone in a casual and friendly way to meet and have coffee together. It's often used to suggest a relaxed meetup and spend some time talking. Now let's see a real-life conversation. A. Let's grab a coffee sometime. B. Sure, that sounds great. Just let me know when. We have a lot to talk about. Now repeat after me. We have a lot to talk about. We use this sentence when we meet someone after a long time and there are many things to share or discuss. It shows excitement about catching up and talking in detail. Now let's see a real-life conversation. We have a lot to talk about. Yes, so many updates to share. Let's sit and talk properly. I can't believe how much time has passed. Now repeat after me. I can't believe how much time has passed. We use this sentence when we are surprised that a long time has already gone by. It often shows emotion when we think about the past or meet someone after a long gap. Now let's see a real-life conversation. I can't believe how much time has passed. I know, it feels like just yesterday we last met. You haven't changed at all. Now repeat after me. You haven't changed at all. We use this sentence when we meet someone after a long time and they look or feel the same as before. It's a friendly way to say the person still seems familiar, just like in the past. Now let's see a real-life conversation. You haven't changed at all. Really, that's so nice to hear. You look the same too. So, tell me what's new. Now repeat after me. So, tell me what's new. We use this sentence when we meet someone after a long time and want to know what has happened in their life recently. It's a casual and friendly way to ask for updates. Now let's see a real-life conversation. So, tell me what's new. Well, I started a new job and moved to a new place. I've been really busy with work. Now repeat after me. I've been really busy with work. We use this sentence when we want to explain that we didn't have much free time because of our job or professional responsibilities. It's a natural way to give a reason for being unavailable. Now let's see a real-life conversation. A. Where have you been? B. I've been really busy with work lately. It feels like old times again. Now repeat after me. It feels like old times again. We use this sentence when something reminds us of the past in a happy way, especially when we meet someone after a long time and it feels familiar and comfortable again. Now let's see a real-life conversation. A. It feels like old times again. B. Yes, I'm really enjoying this moment. I'm really happy to see you. Now repeat after me. I'm really happy to see you. We use this sentence when we meet someone we like or miss. It clearly shows joy and excitement about seeing that person again. Now let's see a real-life conversation. A. I'm really happy to see you. B. Me too. I've missed you a lot. Now you know how to talk to a friend after a long time in natural English. Don't just watch. Practice these sentences and use them in real life. If you learned something today, comment "I can speak English" and subscribe for more daily English videos.